With my Arabic journey, I have been using a few different resources. But one thing I found very, very important now that I know is grammar. The grammar is very, very important. So I actually put some books aside that I was using just to focus on grammar alone. It's amazing just how much there is to learn. And there are different ways of learning. I obviously started like with this book. This is Medina Arabic book 1, and the cover, let me see, it comes as a series. There are quite a few of them. This is one. It's based off Medina Arabic books from the University of Medina. There's this one, which is a book 2, but there's a book 1 as well. So it's the same kind of book company that created these books, which are smaller, colorful, and easier to read, especially aimed at children. But I like children's books because they're fantastic for beginners. So instead of just focusing on this, as much as it's great, and learning new vocabulary, I want to know the grammar, and I think it's very important. So yeah, while you're learning, focus on the grammar. Look for a good grammar course. I've posted on my channel about is the language of Quran. That is a brilliant grammar course that I've been using, and there's another one as well. They're all on my channel. I talked about them previously. So take time to go through them, and also vocabulary. Never underestimate vocabulary. You need so much more, especially if you aim to eventually speak Arabic. I've got this vocabulary book and also this one, which I have talked about previously, and it comes with flashcards. It comes with flashcards, which I cut out and made so that I can revise those at any time while I'm out and about. Right, thanks for watching, and see you again in the next video.